Roland Ford, Pittsburgh, PA. Hey, this is our second dance that we choreographed or created this week. And this one is for a track from DJ Tuffy Tuff. He's an OG. He created this amazing track that was a banger way back in the day. I'm not even going to tell you how far back that was, right? But we've been trying to connect to put a dance together for this track, and we finally have done it. He's actually going to be DJing an event that we're going to be at this weekend, Mother's Day. It's the annual Mother's Day fashion show and extravaganza given every year by Cecilia Coleman. He has a married name. But anyway, it's going to be a show with Acres. All right, I want to give you a preview of what it's going to look like. All right, the Ghetto Sound Check line dance. Check it out.
Right now, you're in tune to the #1 song, Black Gold Superpower, bringing peace, love, and unity in the city with the Ghetto Sound Check. Now come down, Tuffy Tuff, got Black Gold on ramp and play, and we're here to stay.
All right, this is the intro. We're just waiting for it. It's not ready to dance.
Sound check. It's a day Ghetto Sound Check.
5, 6,
Give me now, man.
here we go.
Sound check. It's a day Ghetto Sound Check. Tuffy, do a sound check. When I'm gonna dance off with the sound of the best. Tuffy, in the area, let me do a sound check. Yes, I'm the big corrector, but the Ghetto Sound test. They make the African something that makes a sound fresh. Spin me the play, make every toughness of the set. If you ever gunshot, it is a dance sound check. If they get from a boy, that is a Tuffy sound check. Your sound can't hold, that is a Tuffy sound check. No pussy walk up, let's make Ghetto Sound Check. This how they Ghetto Sound Check.
Sound check. Tuffy Tuff. Rolling forward.